decided to close its factory in Southampton.
It'll hold, don't worry, you might need a bit
A
more.
loss of 500 jobs was announced earlier this month.
Straight away.
That's alright, don't worry, the first one always does.
It's like making a liqueur coffee when you have to put the spoon,
The
isn't
first
it?
one always drops because of their weight.
No, that one will drop.
Well,
Right.
you can have that one.
That was
yours, alright.
Might as well just fill it.
So what are we making here? Just so that everyone knows, it's a
A
mishmash.
mishmash because it's what we own.
And where does it originate from?
From my hometown in Rovin in Croatia.
Rovin.
Rovin.
Hey.
It's beautiful.
Do you need a smaller spoon, do you reckon, or?
I don't know, I think you'll be okay.
No, it's just the speed the wine goes in.
Ah, okay.
Suggested that 95%
Is that dropping?
Yes.
Might need a different spoon.
Try and get a different spoon.
Okay, and more rounded ones? Or...
No, that one's
That one would be better.
And the concentration there on Mr. Dave Barrett's face. Oh, it's dropped.
No, you're not tipping it.
Oh, I don't know though. It's, hold on.
That's not dropping.
That's not dropped.
Okay, you try it. It's not going to go any better.
Oh, I can't stay too long, you know, today because, you know, I'll be driving, I can't drink, and I said, that's why we're holding it early.
Yes. Who said that? You did.
No,
Oh no, Helen did. But she's not now. She got the bus.
Yeah, but I told her that's why we're starting at 5.
Yeah, you dropped.
Well, it's alright. So that is your...
It's not working.
It's the dropped one, but we will do. Yeah, we will come back to this later and get.
Practice.
Yes.
To be continued.